Alright, in this video, we're going to find the third derivative of 1 over e to the x. In fact, we don't have to use the quotient rule because right here, we have e to the x in the denominator. We can actually just write this as e to the negative x. And then we can just use the chain rule to get the first derivative and then do it again and do it again. So from here, let's see. First derivative, I'll just put down y prime. This right here, well, when you differentiate e to something, this part always stays the same first. So you write down e to the negative x. And the chain rule says we are going to multiply by the derivative of this, which is going to be negative 1. And that's it. In another word, the first derivative is negative e to the negative x. And we just do it again. So second derivative, look at this. First, you repeat this, negative e to the negative x. And the derivative of the inside, which is another negative 1. And you get positive e to the negative x. And then you do it again. So you have y triple prime. And you get this right here. And the derivative of negative x is just negative 1. So in the end here, you have negative e to the negative x. And of course, we can write this down to the denominator. So we can write this as negative 1 over e to the positive x. That's it.